You gon' want me back. What's up, YouTube? Your boy back with another COPART walk around. Show y'all what's going on at this COPART here. Seaford, Delaware. Got a couple of nice cars out here. So stay tuned and check it out. Let me know what you think. For you caddy guys, check it out. It's a nice color. Cadillacs are okay. I used to like was that the 16? I like that one. It's a 14 ATS. Lost type. Nope, don't say. 58,000 miles. It's a nice car. Not for me, but it's a nice car. What's that? 2.0 T? Buried in the sand. 58,000 miles. Fairly new. This look decent. Interior looks good. Got a good interior. I don't think you got no power. Oh man, where is this? Oh, here it go. Nah, no power. All these new cars, they try to get cute with their little start buttons, hiding them and trying to make them look all fancy and whatnot. Alright. Switch! Now this is nice. I like these. I'm a little upset that they ain't as fast as I thought they would be. You know, they look real good and I thought they was really fast, but yeah, they average. But they look hella good. Not this particular one. I think it's the top of the line one. It's all-wheel drive though. That's cool. RC 300. This look good. It's another one I seen though. It's an RC, but I think it's probably the top of the line one. It's a little more fancy. I got a lot more fake vents on it. I'm a sucker for the fake vents that do absolutely nothing. But this is nice. 19,000 miles. Jeez. Blew every bag in here. It's new. Got power. Ow. Does it start? Key not detected. Key not in here. I don't see no key. I don't know if it's in the office or if it's in here. I don't see it. Nah, probably in the office. Says key not detected, so I guess they got it in the office. Yeah, RC. I said RC 350 or RC 300? RC 350. It's cool. It's a nice car. Smacked up, but how bad is it? Oh, I take the hood, duh. It don't look too bad. The crash bar is bent, but it looks like it stops at the radiator. The apron look bent. Yeah, the apron's toast. But I mean, that's not, you know, that don't mean that's the end of the car. Some aprons you can unbolt them. Most you gotta cut them off and weld on new ones. So I mean, it's not impossible. It's not impossible. But most of this work you can do yourself if you know a little bit about cars. You just take off the bumper, crash bar, the core support, replace all that. You know, that's simple. Those are just, you know, bolts and screws. You know, just make sure you pay attention where it come off from and where you put them back to. It's not hard. But yeah, RC350, y'all. Switch. Check this out. AMG ML63. Mercedes Benz. 131,000 miles. 6.3 V8. I would guess it's a V8. Won't be no 6.3 V6. It's a little smack in the front, but this ain't nothing too crazy. I wouldn't be scared of that at all. Fender bent. Minor smack. Crash bar ain't even bent. Man, bumper. Few little other brackets, trinkets. Throw this joint back together. Got you a house of power. This thing got some power. One thing I say about them AMGs, they come with some power. 400-500 horsepower. I tried to play with one of those in my 650, and he got me. He got me. I give it to him. He got me. I mean, I was with him, but his car was smaller, lighter, and handled better than my 650. 650s don't handle the best. Ooh. Malfunction front left. SRS. I don't see no bags blown. It says SRS. I don't see any bags blown. Oh. Got TVs in it. This is nice. This is a nice truck. Look, TVs. Set to go. All you gotta do is throw the kids in and go. I mean, you could drive this like this. I mean, not so many people would. Let me roll the window down. I don't want to get locked out. People probably curse me out. 200 on the dash. Woo! That thing got 200 on the dash. Know it's fast when you pull up to something with 200 on the dash. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. 6.3. Nationwide. This is real nice. See if I can get a couple of revs for y'all. Yeah, she needs to be serviced. I think she's running at half power. Didn't sound too impressive. Think she needs some service. I think the service light is on. Probably misfiring. Not running that at its full potential. Roll this window back up. Yeah, it says service due. Service something about the front. So I think she's running at half power. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. G63. Check it out for you Volkswagen guys. We got a Jetta. Sheesh. 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 Yeah, she's seen better days. Allstate 17 Jetta SE. Lowest type? Unknown. Huh. Of course it is. 100,000 miles. Might need some suspension work. A fender. A door. Probably some pillow work. Hood is out of whack. Flat tire. Not too bad on the inside. Little bit of dirt. Nothing crazy. A little bit of dirt. A little bit. A little bit. Yeah, it's a decent car. I'm not really a Volkswagen guy myself, but they cool. The Golfs are cool. I like those. I would play with a Golf. Two sets of keys. What the hell? No power. She's dead. So, you know what the famous word is? Switch. Check this out. Now this got some mean tires on it. Smashed up in the front. Real smashed up in the front. But I could tell she was a beaut. For that accident, she was a beaut. Tires, nice. I like tires. Well, sorry, wheels, if I get cursed out. Wheels look nice. The wheels look nice. Sedan Mafia. Sosa. What's up, Sosa? You see me on YouTube, shout me out, baby. I'm gonna hit you up on Instagram anyway. Sedan Mafia. This is a is this an IS350 if I'm not mistaken? If I know my cars, took the badges off. I think that's an IS350. I like these wheels. And I usually don't like the step down lips. I usually like them flat. I don't like the step down lips, but these look good. These look good. Pillars are good. Oh no, it's a little buckle right there. We got a buckle, baby. We got a buckle. Sheesh. Sosa, what did you do? What did you do, my friend? Sosa, what did you do? My friend, what did you do? Stick. Too fast for you, Sosa. Too fast. You can't handle the stick. She's dead. It's nice. It was nice. I don't know about now. Maybe she could be brought back to life. Can't really tell. Crash bullet pushed in there. Might be frame damage. Don't know. I just don't know. Switch. I knew we was bound to see one. Check it out. Daytona. Nemesis Auto Club. What's she in here for? $392. It's not enough. $392 ain't enough. This car's too heavy. That's not $392 to the wheels. It's $392 to the crank. So that's probably like $340 something to the wheels. Jesus Christ. That shit hurt it. Jesus Christ. That shit hurt it. Jeez. I mean, jeez. He done slid. This ain't car ain't even that fast. How you crash it like this? This car ain't that fast, man. You shouldn't be crashing a 392 horsepower car like this, bro. This car ain't that fast, bro. You must not be able to drive, bruh. Because this car is not that fast, bruh. How the hell you crash this into like a daggone pole or something? How you slide this into a pole? 392 horsepower? Man. I order. You big dummy. You big dummy. You slid a 392 into a pole. You big dummy. Donkey of the day goes to, where's his Instagram at? You better have his Instagram on his car. You better have his Instagram on his car. I'm an Instagram. He got Instagram, but he don't got his name. Yeah, he probably took it off because you big dummy. You know, slid a Daytona into a pole. You big dummy. What the hell was you doing? You big dummy. Cars even that damn fast, man. I told you I used to smoke these in my Beamer. 650 used to chew you out for lunch. And I'm about to soup up the G35 so I could chew you out for lunch. Slide these into the pole. Disrespecting the tar. Disrespecting the car. Disrespecting the road. Pissed me off. Switch. Check it out. I'm not too familiar with these. This is a Fiat. I don't know what model, but it look cool. Little cool old little buggy. Cool looking little old buggy. It's a cool looking little old buggy. Check it out. Check it out. This is 68,000 miles. Oh, that's cool. This is a Fiat 124 Spider. It's an 81 Fiat 124 Spider red. For a 1981 car, it's still in pretty good condition. I know some people born in 1981 that ain't in this good of condition. Shoot, I know some people born in 1990 not in this good of condition. Oh, ow. Yeah, she not in gear. She probably ain't got no power. She old as dirt. Did she got some power? Let's see her buzz. Bing. Nope. Nope. She's dead. Oh, should I upgrade the stereo in here? Somebody upgraded the stereo. That's cool. It's cool. It's a cool little buggy, stick shift. Or we slap a Hellcat engine in it, see how fast it can go. Or better yet, a demon engine in here. Let's LS swap it, y'all. Let's LS swap it. Throw a Dodge Demon engine in it. See what type of 0 to 60 times we get. Quarter mile time. That'll be something to see, wouldn't it be? I wouldn't be surprised if somebody do something like this. LS swap it. Let's LS swap it, y'all. Matter of fact, let's get a Coyote engine. Let's go get that 5.0 through that engine in here. Let's see what happened. Had his drink. Popping Willies. Alright. Switch. Yeah, YouTube. It's your boy. Just got back from COPART. I was tired, hungry. So I'm going to wrap this video on up. Probably go back tomorrow, film some more. I missed a couple of cars. On the way out, I see a couple of cars I could make some videos for. So, it's your boy, signing off. I'll be making a lot more videos. Let me know what y'all think. Hit me up. Comment, like, subscribe. Until the next time, see y'all. Peace.